what do you think of the CCP snare? How does it sound?
Amazing.
Hey Dave, what do you think of the CCP snare?
I think it's loud and sounds great.
Alright everyone, there it is. My new Chicago custom percussion snare drum. Please bear with me on the focus on this video, because I can't find my point and shoot, so I'm using my DSLR, and I'm not very good at focusing, so if stuff's out of focus, that's why. Anyway, so this is my Chicago custom percussion snare drum. Yeah. Specs on it real quick. It's 7 inches in depth that way by 14 inches in diameter. As you can see, it has a blue stain. That blue stain is over bird's eye maple. Here, let me focus that again. Stupid camera doesn't focus automatically. Makes things difficult. Yeah, there's the bird's eye maple right there. That dotty stuff popping through. And yeah, it's pretty pretty. Great, Eli. It's got some mini tube lugs on it right there. Regular hoops, not die cast. I decided against die cast because I figured I'd break a lot of sticks on it. But yeah, so as you can see, it's very pretty. It's got a trick throw off over here. That thing's awesome. It's a beast. Trick GS007. It's like James Bond of throw-offs. Anyway, yeah. So on top is an Evans HD, and on the bottom is an Evans Hazy 300. Look at the interior of that shell. That is gorgeous. Anyway, so I won't talk too much. Thank you to Tony and Jimmy who hand-delivered this snare to me. They drove all the way from Chicago up to here and dropped a kid off in Albany, New York along the way, and then, you know, came and hung out with me and Donnie and Luke. You can see the video that Donnie, Luke, and I made. I'll put it right here. This is the day of the snare drum, so don't click on that video yet, but you should come back and click on it. Yeah. Thank you, Tony, Tommy, Jimmy, all the guys over at CCP. They're awesome. If you want a snare, hit up info@ccpercussion.com. And yeah, so without further ado, let's put on the kit and see how it sounds. I really like it. It's nice and fat. Works perfect. And my other favorite thing about this snare is Tony color matched it perfectly. So it's almost the same color as my kit. So it sort of looks like it blends in, and then you see the tube lugs and they sort of stick out a little bit. And then you hear it and it sounds amazing, and you know it's different. I'm not really the standouty type of person, so blending in is good for me. And I should mention that both heads are sort of medium tension, the bottom a little bit higher than the top. But nothing's really cranked, and it sounds amazing just like this. A little bit of ring, but at the same time it's got so much body. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. Thank you so much, Tony, Tommy, and Jimmy. And guys, I mean, if you want a beautiful sounding snare drum that's not an unreasonable price, definitely check out Chicago Custom Percussion. That's where it's at. Alright. Bye. If you buy a CCP drum, your guitarist will play like this.